ഇമ്മിണി വല്യൊന്നിൻ്റെ പുതിയൊരു എപ്പിസോഡിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ കഴിഞ്ഞ എപ്പിസോഡിൽ ഇൻട്രൊഡക്ഷൻ ഓഫ് ട്രിഗ്നോമെട്രി ആയിരുന്നു ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തത്. അതായത് വാട്ട് ആർ ട്രിഗ്നോമെട്രിക് റേഷ്യോസ്. അപ്പോൾ അതെല്ലാവരും പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടാവുമെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ അതിനെ ബേസ് ചെയ്ത ട്രിഗ്നോമെട്രിക് റേഷ്യോസിനെ ബേസ് ചെയ്ത കുറച്ച് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് നമുക്കിന്ന് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാം. അതായത് 8th ചാപ്റ്ററിലെ ഫസ്റ്റ് എക്സസൈസ് 8.1 അതിൽ കുറച്ച് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ ഓരോ റേഷ്യോസ് എന്താണെന്ന് എല്ലാവർക്കും ഓർമ്മയുണ്ടല്ലോ. വാട്ട് ഈസ് സൈൻ ഓഫ് ആൻ ആംഗിൾ? ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് സൈഡ് ബൈ ഹൈപ്പോട്ടന്യൂസ്. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ ലെറ്റ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട്. അപ്പോൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ഇൻ ട്രയാങ്കിൾ ABC, right angled at B, given AB is equal to 24 cm, BC 7 cm. ഇത്രയും തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഒരു റൈറ്റ് ആംഗിൾഡ് ട്രയാങ്കിൾ ABC, റൈറ്റ് ആംഗിൾഡ് അറ്റ് B. അതെപ്പോഴും ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കും ഏത് ആംഗിളാണ് റൈറ്റ് എന്ന്. ആൻഡ് ഗിവൺ ദീസ് ടു സൈഡ്സ് ഓൾസോ. അപ്പോൾ എന്താ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടേ? ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഇസ് ഡിറ്റർമിൻ സൈൻ എ കോസ് എ. First question is sin A and cos A, and second question is sin C cos C. അതായത് sin and cos of the two acute angles of this right angled triangle. അപ്പോൾ അതിനു വേണ്ടി നമുക്ക് സൈനിലും കോസിലും ഹൈപ്പോട്ടന്യൂസ് ഉണ്ട് റേഷ്യോയിൽ. സോ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് ഓൾ വി ഹാവ് ടു ഫൈൻഡ് ദി ലെങ്ത് ഓഫ് ദി ഹൈപ്പോട്ടന്യൂസ് യൂസിങ് ദി പൈത്തഗോറസ് തിയറം. അതാണ് ആദ്യം വേണ്ടത്. അപ്പോൾ ലെറ്റ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് സൊല്യൂഷൻ. ഇൻ റൈറ്റ് ട്രയാങ്കിൾ ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That is, AC square is equal to AB square is 24 square plus BC square is 7 square. That is, we get AC square is equal to 24 square is 576 plus 49 we get 625. Therefore, we get the hypotenuse AC is equal to square root of 625. You know it is 25 centimeter. And here we got the hypotenuse as 25 centimeter. Then let's find the first question's answer. Sin A. Sin A is equal to sine of angle A. It is what? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Sin A is BC by AC. BC divided by AC, which is equal to 7 by 25. Okay, and next is cos A. Cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. That is, adjacent side of angle A is AB divided by hypotenuse is AC. It is AB by AC is equal to 24 by 25. And this is the solution of the first question. And the second question is sin C. Sin C. Let's find sin C. This is the acute angle C, and sine of angle C is opposite side by hypotenuse. It is with respect to angle C, this is the opposite side. It is AB by AC. AB by AC, which is equal to 24 by 25. And the next is cos C. Cos C. Consider angle C. Angle C's adjacent side is BC. Cos is adjacent side by hypotenuse. It is BC by AC. BC by AC, which is equal to 7 by 25. And here we have seen that there is a relationship between the two acute angles of a right angled triangle. We got sin A and cos C as the same, and also cos A is the same as sin C. And this will be discussed later as complementary ratios. Pinna discuss cheyyunnundu. Okay, and the next question, second question. I think this first question is clear, very clear. And this is based on the base. That is based on the trigonometric ratios. Okay, let's do the second question. Question number 2 is in the figure, in question number 2, the triangle is given as PQR instead of ABC, and also the measures are different. In triangle PQR, right angle at Q, what's given? It is 12 centimeter and the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. And question is, in the figure, find tan P minus cot R. Tan P, acute angle P is tangent, and we write tan P is equal to, what is tan of an acute angle? Tan P is opposite side by adjacent side. In tan and cot, no hypotenuse, and tan P is QR by PQ. QR by PQ. And before that, we have to find what is QR. QR is equal to root of 13 square, Pythagoras theorem, minus 12 square. That is, QR is equal to root of 169 minus 144, which is equal to root 25, which is equal to 5 centimeter. And in right triangles, if any of the sides is unknown, we can find it by using the Pythagoras theorem. So we get this as 5 centimeter. Then we get tan P is equal to QR by PQ, that is tan P is equal to 5 by 12. And next, it is cot R. Cot R. This is the acute angle R, and its cot is what? Adjacent by opposite. It is QR by PQ. Is QR by PQ, that also we get as what? 5 by 12. And your question is, it's different. Therefore, tan P minus cot R is equal to 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12, which is equal to 0. 0 is the solution of this second question. Okay. And the third one. Third question. Question number 3. Okay. And no triangle name is given. We can consider any triangle. Question number 3 is, just it is given solution. Given sec theta is equal to 13 by 12. Given sec theta is equal to 13 by 12, and you are asked to find all other trigonometric ratios. Only one ratio is given, and the remaining 5 ratios are to be find out. Okay, and here let's consider this angle as theta. And theta is a Greek alphabet we use for the measures of angles. ഒരു ആംഗിൾ മെഷറിനെ ഡിനോട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി നമ്മൾ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു ഗ്രീക്ക് ആൽഫബറ്റാണ് തീറ്റ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. സോ ഹിയർ ലെറ്റ്സ് കൺസിഡർ ദിസ് അക്യൂട്ട് ആംഗിൾ ബി തീറ്റ. ദെൻ ഗിവൺ സീക്ക് തീറ്റ. വാട്ട് ഈസ് സീക്ക്? Sec is the reciprocal of cos. It is hypotenuse by adjacent side. Hypotenuse. And let this be 13K. And adjacent side of this be 12K. And the figure changes. Okay. And let's consider. Then what is PQ? PQ is equal to root of 13K square minus 12K square. That is, PQ is equal to root of, why we take 13K and 12K as the answer? The ratio 13 by 12 doesn't mean that the lengths are 13 and 12. A ratio will be always in its simplest form. So this may be a multiple of 12 and 13. That's why we consider 13K and 12K as the length of the sides. മനസ്സിലായില്ലേ? എപ്പോഴും ഒരു റേഷ്യോ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എപ്പോഴും സിംപ്ലസ്റ്റ് ഫോമിലേ തരുള്ളൂ. അപ്പോൾ ദിസ് മെഷർ മേ ബി 26/24 ആവാം. ഇത് 26/24 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ അതിൻ്റെ റേഷ്യോ 13/12 ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിൻ്റെ മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾസും ആവാം. ഇതന്നെ ലെങ്ത് ആവണം എന്നില്ല. ദാറ്റ്സ് വൈ വി കൺസിഡർ 13x അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 12x അങ്ങനെ എടുക്കാം. ആൻഡ് ദിസ് വിൽ ബി 169k² minus 144k². That is PQ is equal to root of 169 minus 144 is 25k² and its square root is 5k. So we get ഈ ലെങ്ത് ഏതായാലും മാറിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇങ്ങനെയാണ് റൈറ്റ് ട്രയാങ്കിൾ വരിക. ഇത് 5k and this is 12k and this is 13k and let this angle be theta. Okay, and this is 5k. So let's write all the other ratios. നമുക്കിപ്പം എല്ലാ ലെങ്ത്തും കിട്ടി. Okay, and first of all sin theta. Sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. It is 5k by 13k. 5k divided by 13k is equal to 5 by 30. This is the simplest form of the ratio. Then cos theta. Cos theta, actually no need of finding cos theta. We know that cos is the reciprocal of sec. So we can write it directly as 12 by 30. 12 by 30. Directly we can write. Then tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite by adjacent. It is 5k by 12k is equal to 5 by 12. And the next one is cosec theta. Cosec is the reciprocal of sine. So we can write it directly. Cosec theta is equal to 13 by 5. Next, sec is already given there. Then cot theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. It is 12 by 5. And these are the remaining 5 trigonometric ratios: sine, cos, tan, cosec and cot. Clear? Okay. And the fourth question. Question number 4. Fourth question is, if cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, evaluate 1 plus sin theta. Cot theta is 7 by 8. Okay. Question number 4. Solution. Given cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. Given cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. And you are asked to find 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta is equal to what? This is the question. Given cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. Let this acute angle be theta. Then we know that what is cot? It is adjacent side by opposite side. So this is 7k and let this be 8k. Okay. Angle theta's adjacent side is QR and opposite side is PQ. Then we can write cot theta is equal to QR by PQ, which is equal to 7 by 8. It is given. Then we have to find PR. PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square by Pythagoras theorem. That is PQ square is equal to 8k whole square plus 7k whole square is equal to 64k square plus 49k square. What is 64 plus 49? 113k square. It is 113k square, which is PR square. So PR is equal to square root of 113k square, which is not a perfect square. So we have to write this as k square we can take outside. Square root of k square is k. So we get the measure of PR as square root of 113k. Now let's find what is What we have to find here? To get this answer, we have to find sin theta and cos theta. Only two trigonometric ratios. Then let's write what is sin theta. Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. That is, sin theta is equal to PQ by PR. PQ by PR, which is equal to 8k divided by square root of 113k. K and k get cancels. We get 8 by root 113. Let it be there. Then let's find cos theta. What is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is QR by PR. That is, cos theta is equal to, what is QR? 7k divided by hypotenuse is root 113k. K and k get cancels. It is 7 by root 113. We got sin theta and cos theta. Sin theta as 8 by root 113 and cos theta as 7 by root 113. Then let's find this value. I think this is clear how we have found out sin theta and cos theta. These values we have to apply here. So we'll get the answer or the value for this expression. Okay, let's substitute now. 8 by, okay, let's substitute these values, is equal to 1 plus 8 by root 113 into 1 minus 8 by root 113 divided by 1 plus cos theta is 7 by root 113 into 1 minus 7 by root 113. And we know that this is of the form a plus b into a minus b, and the denominator also a plus b into a minus b. Using the third identity, we get it as a square minus b square. It is 1 square minus 8 by root 113 whole square divided by, the denominator is 1 square minus 7 by root 113 whole square. And here 1 square is 1 minus, what is 8 by root 113 whole square? It is 8 square by, we have studied the law of exponents that a by b whole raised to m is a raised to m divided by b raised to m. So we get 8 square is 64 divided by root x square is x. So it is 64 by 130 divided by denominator 1 minus, it is 49 by 130 is equal to 1 minus 64 by 113 is, we get it is 49 by 113 divided by, here 113 minus 49 is 64 by 130, and we get it as dividing or division of two rational numbers is the multiplying by its reciprocal is equal to, so we get 113 and 113 get cancels. We get the value as 49 by 64, and this is the answer for this question. We get 49 by 64 on substituting the values of sin theta and cos theta here. It has simplified, and this is the value of this rational expression. It is 49 by 64. Okay, and the last question, the fifth question, please see it. And the fifth question is, in triangle PQR, okay, triangle name is the same, and okay, right angled at Q only. In right triangle PQR, right angled at Q, what is given and what is to be find out? Question number 5, it is Okay, right angled at Q. Given PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. PQ is equal to 5 centimeter and PR plus QR is 25. Okay, let's write what is given. Given PQ is equal to 5 centimeter and PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter. And you are asked to find sin P. Then what is sin P, cos P and tan P? These three ratios are to be find out. Sin P, cos P and tan P. And with respect to the acute angle P, you are asked to find these three ratios. And here only one side is given. ഇവിടെ ഒരു സൈഡ് മാത്രമേ ബേസ് മാത്രമേ തന്നിട്ടുള്ളൂ. അത് 5 centimeter ആണ്. പിന്നെ തന്നത് ഈ രണ്ട് സൈഡ്സിന്റെ സമ്മ. Let QR is equal to X. Then PR is equal to 25 minus X. Okay, let's apply the Pythagoras theorem. Then PR square is equal to QR square plus PQ square. That is PR. What is PR? It is 25 minus X. Whole square is equal to what is QR? QR we have considered as X. X square plus what is PQ? It is 5 square. So we get we have to expand using the second identity as A minus B whole square. It is 625 minus 50x plus x square is equal to x square plus 25. 5 square is 25 and x square get cancels from both sides. We get on transposing this minus 50x to this side it become 50x and plus 25 when it is transposed to this side it become minus 25. So we get 625 minus 25 is equal to 50x, that is 600. We get 600 is equal to 50x. So what is x? X equal to 600 by 50 which is equal to 12. We get x as 12 centimeter. Then we have to find PR given the sum is 25. And here when one of this is 12, this is 13. Because 12 plus 13 is 25. This is given. So the remaining is 25 minus. So we got the three measures. Then we can answer for this question. What is sin P? Then sin P is equal to, consider this acute angle P. Sin P is opposite side by hypotenuse. It is 12 by 13. Then cos P. Cos P is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. It is 5 by 13. 5 by 13 and the next one is tan P. Tan P is equal to opposite by adjacent. It is 12 by 5.